networks on your router. You have a 5G network and you have a 2G network. Now, this is the way both of those networks work so that you can get the most out of your Wi-Fi experience, or the most out of the very expensive cable that I'm sure you're paying for. The 5G network is the strongest network, and it's the one that's going to give you 100% of the speed that you're paying for. So if you're paying for 200 meg, then your 5G is going to put out 200 megs of speed if you're connected to it. Now, that being said, because it's the fastest, it does not reach as far as the 2G. So what we normally do is we have the things that don't move in the house, like the computers or the things that aren't mobile, connected to the 5G if we're not hardwired into the actual router. If you have an Ethernet cord going from your router to your actual computer, then that's not using any of the Wi-Fi signal whatsoever. That means you're hardlined in, and that doesn't affect your Wi-Fi, period, and you will get 100% of your speed. Now, mostly phones and tablets are what we connect to the Wi-Fi. We always connect them to the 2G. Now, the 2G will only give you half of your speed. So if you're paying for 200, then it'll only give you 100 megs per speed. But it will reach further, and you can put more devices on the 2G network. The 5G network, it can only hold up to 4 or 5 devices before it starts kicking other devices off. And that's how Wi-Fi works in your house.